Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make fried rice Shin ramen. We need Shin ramen, cup noodle, carrot, green onions, sweet white onions, garlics, bell peppers, mushroom, grilled chicken. I bought it from Sam's Club. 2 eggs, cooked white rice. I got it from Costco. Avocado oil and black pepper. Please cut veggies in small pieces. I'm sure you ate fried rice in Chinese restaurant before, so veggies. You can cut veggies as the same size, and then grilled chicken, and also I cut in small pieces. And then mix 2 eggs. Please break the yolks. And pressure garlic. And then crush ramen noodle in small pieces. Put them back in the cup. Then add soup base. We're gonna pour hot water later. Ingredients are ready. And noodle, veggies, grilled chicken, egg, garlic, cooked rice. Add avocado oil. We're gonna cook pressure garlic first. Then add grilled chicken. Add other veggies. We're gonna add these veggies later with rice and eggs. Add half cup of boiled water. We are going to cook eggs first. And please use coating pan. If you use a stainless pan, eggs gonna stick to it. Add avocado oil first. And then eggs. And cooked white rice. Please don't microwave. Uh, if you cook on the pan, you don't need to microwave this. Mix with eggs. Then add ramen noodle. So I don't like too salty or spicy, but if you like saltiness or spiciness, you can add here soy sauce, more salt, or if you like sweetness, you can add some sugar here or pepper powder. It's up to you. Plating time. It looks good. You can add a black pepper or sesame seeds as a garnish. And same way like fried rice in Chinese restaurant, you can add soy sauce, sugar, you can add here. Shin ramen's spiciness and saltiness go well with fried eggs and rice. I added fresh vegetable to make it a little bit healthier. It's delicious. You should try this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.